In this video, we're going to look at sorting values into ascending or descending order on a Casio fx-CG50. We're going to have a look at two lists, one for ascending and one for descending. Here we have our first set of values. Ascending order means starting with the smallest value and working up to the largest value, but we're going to get the calculator to sort this for us. We're going to go into two statistics. And you can see here we've got a series of lists. What we're going to do is to put these first set of values into list 1. So let's input them as they're written. So firstly we've got 7/8. Now you notice how the input here is line mode automatically. You can see that by the way that the fraction is presented. Press execute to enter. And then we've got 8.7 and times 10. It's just easiest to use this button at the bottom here. Times 10 to the -1. Then 22/25. Notice how it's presenting these in the list in their decimal form. And then this fourth one here, be careful to use a set of brackets or parentheses around this because we're going to raise it to a power. So open some brackets, 4/5, close them, and then raise that to the power of 0.7. And then the last one we just have a decimal value, so it's quite easy to input. Okay, so they're not currently in ascending order, but we're going to sort them into that. So what we need to do is from the menu, press F6 to get us to the next page. And then you can see on the left hand side there, we've got an option tool. So press F1 and you can see we've got two options here, sort ascending and sort descending. We're going to choose sort ascending, so it's F1 again. How many lists? Well, we're going to do two lists in this video, but we're just going to do one at a time. So for this process, we just want one list, and it's going to be list 1 that we're going to sort. So press list 1 and execute, and here we go. They are sorted into ascending order. So the largest, you can see it's 0.88 in the list, but it's still the fraction down at the bottom there. Now it's only the fractions that will be displayed in the way that we inputted them. If we scroll up here, we've got that was originally a decimal, then 7/8, and then here 0.87. Well, we entered that as 8.7 times 10 to the power of -1. Well, that's just presented it or kept it as a decimal. So you just have to be careful there. And at the top there, the smallest value, that was 4/5 to the power of 0.7. So again, it's just kept that as a decimal. It hasn't told us how we'd inputted that. So just be careful if you need to write them in the original way in which they're presented. You just need to keep a note of that. Let's have a look at a second set of values then. So that's them here, and we're just going to enter them in the order that they're presented. Now we're just going to do this in list 2, so let's just scroll across. Now in order to get a logarithm, what we need to do is to just press option, and then from the option menu press F3 for calc, and then F6 to scroll right, and then it's F1 for log AB. Now because we're in the line mode here, what we need to do is to enter the base and then the argument. So the base of the logarithm is 8, comma, and then the argument, so that's what's within the logarithm, so that's 1/2, and then close the bracket there and press execute. And you can see that that's -0.333 and so on. That's actually -1/3, but obviously represented as a decimal in the list there. So next one is -3/10. And then -5.5 times 10 to the -1. So just use the times 10 at the bottom there for convenience. Again, that's just gone in as -0.55, then -1/2. And then lastly, we've got 2 to the power of -1. So execute that. See, that's 0.5. Okay, and then to sort, what we need to do is go back to the original menu. So it's exit twice here. And then F1 for tool, and then we want sort descending in this one, so it's F2. How many lists? Well, we've done the first one, so we just want to do one list at this time, but it's list 2 now that we've got our values. So it's list 2, execute. And here we have them in descending order. So the smallest is -0.55. Remember that was -5.5 times 10 to the -1. Up, we've got -1/2. Then this one was the logarithm. Up again, that was -3/10, which was as it was, and then 0.5, if you remember, was 2 to the power of -1. So that's going to be the largest of them there, going down from largest at the top to smallest at the bottom. So there we go, a quick way that we can use the list feature and the sort function on a Casio fx-CG50 to sort a set of values into ascending and descending order. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos. That's it for this video. See you next time on the Calculator Guide.